And now we move to the third exercise, and here's what we're gonna do. We're gonna start with this image of the mug, this picture, and we're gonna combine the two and make it look like a printed mug. And as we see, it looks very realistic. So we're gonna try to do the same thing. Close the image, go to Photoshop, File, Open, and we open the image of the mug, just like that. Now we have to bring the picture, File, Place Embedded, Place, and here's our image. We resize it just like that. And we place it in this position. Once we're done, we click on this button, and here's our image. Next thing we need to do, we need to warp the image and make it look like it belongs on the mug, because right now it doesn't look like it belongs on the mug. So to do that, we go to Edit, Transform, and click on Warp. And now we're gonna see what warp does. You take the edge right here and spread it a little bit, and now you press this button to change the angle, and you can see what it does. We do the same thing here. Now it's not a straight line anymore. It became circular, just like this part. We do the same thing here. And make it a little bit wider on the top and a little bit smaller on the bottom. That way it looks more realistic. Just like that. I think it looks good. And then we click on confirm, and now we have our image on the mug and it looks much more realistic. Now we're gonna talk about blending modes for the first time, and I'm gonna teach you, give you an idea about blending modes. Blending mode. To change the blending mode of a layer, we go here, and now we can see all the blending modes. I can't tell you about what blending modes do, but I'm gonna show you what blending modes do. Now I'm gonna change the blending mode each time, and you're gonna see what it does each time. You get the idea? But for now, we're gonna choose the multiply blending mode just right here and click. Last thing we're gonna do to make it more realistic, we reduce the opacity to 95%. And now the exercise is finished. You go do the same and don't forget to save.